This bike inspires me to ride like a fucking idiot.
Alright, let's try this shit again. This is the, gonna shoot with native.
A little fucking chilly. Oh man, I forgot my earplugs. This bike's fucking loud. I wonder if I'm gonna be able to talk over this shit. Cause inside the helmet, it's just fucking echoes in here. So the mic may not make it sound loud, but holy shit. Woo! I should have wore something on my arms. Ah! Just fuck shit, Christ. Took forever just to get the GoPro hooked up. Just want to take a little ride through town. This will be a good test for the camera setting I'm going to try to use. That little skull going. That was one of those wine topper things. I don't know how long he's going to last up there. I hope he lasts forever. I mean, fucking look at his little head going. Might be a little too much for him. That's only 50 miles an hour. This thing's got fresh oil, just hasn't been out. I feel bad for it. I always want to take it to work, and then, I don't know, weather, you know, whether it's cold. Lately, like cold mornings. Or the forecast for the afternoon says I gotta take the Vision. I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm yelling. I'm gonna try not to. Good. I'm the asshole. You're fine. Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, right? Oops. So we're just going to calm down a little bit, because textbook of what not to do. Drive like a fucking silly person when there's driveways and shit. So, hey, he was nice enough, he stepped on it to get out of the way. There was plenty of freaking room for me to slow down to a reasonable, manageable speed. So, and it wasn't, I don't know what it looked like on the camera, but there's shit tons of room. This bike inspires me to ride like a fucking idiot. The fucking light's gonna change. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yep. Now, you'll see in the video that there was a guy that ran the red light. That light holds for freaking ever, and he did run the light, and I don't blame him. I'd fucking run it too. You know, you only have so long you can sit there putting up with that shit. Great, now I'm out here, and now I got a cop behind me. Oh shit, roof's going off that thing. An unmarked cop. I was like that little house. Playing right in the middle of everything. So I guess we'll go down this way, loop around, head back down through town, see what we can watch or see, learn. That's good, because I don't have this bike inspected.